common types of merger. There are different types of merger. Now, what is it? These are types of merger. The following are the major types of merger: horizontal merger, vertical merger, conglomerate merger, and congeneric mergers, reverse merger. What is horizontal mergers? When two companies which is merge in the same industry, it is move closer to monopoly. So Airtel, BSNL, Geo, Vodafone, if all this combined and became Starlink, it is monopoly. Vertical merger it happens when two companies that having buyer-seller relationships comes together. Horizontal, these companies merge together. Vertical, if these companies merge together. I'm merging with my distributor. I'm merging with my supplier. I'm merging with my service. Who are providing service to me, raw material, I'm merging with them. So it's kind of merger is vertical merger. So by the way, I can reduce the cost and increase the profit. Conglomerate merger. It happens when a firm engage in unrelated type of business operation come together. Example of ITC, they were the paper, they are in hotel, they are in cigarettes, so they are in snacks. These companies doesn't have a similar relationship, but they run and they take over other companies. This is conglomerate relationship. Generic, it is in this acquirer and target companies are related through basic technology, production process or markets. We've been speaking to many cases, but in this case, it's totally different. They are related, but how they are related? Basic technology they are related, basic production they are related, basic process they are related. Other than that, there's no relation between them. Reverse merger. What is reverse merger? It is a small company gain control over large one. Sometimes a small company having huge money take over large firm and they control them. This is reverse merger. And the following three tests should be fulfilled before arrangement on the terms as a reverse merger. What are the assets transfer are greater than transferee? So a transfer of assets are more than a transfer or asset is more than transferee asset. Equity capital to be issued by transferee excess in original issued capital.